Givenchy Nightingale, large size. Yung strap niya, it's short lang. Then, this is pale gold hardware. Okay. This is the front. Yung color niya talaga, it's violet or it's purple. Kaso may parts na nagdi-discolor, nagiging parang brown. So, parang siyang ombre effect. Yan siya. The front part. And then the side. Laki nito. Daming pwedeng ilagay. Then, the likod. Tapos, other side. Tapos, yung ilalim niya. And then, the corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, and corner 4. Setting super low lang to. Tapos, the handles. Ayan siya. Ayan. Tapos, dito, meron ako nakita yun. Parang may watermark doon. Cutting watermark. And then, yung strap niya, ayan, this is the long strap, short strap, sorry, wala tong long strap, short. Tapos yung loob niya, malinis yung loob. Hindi ko nang bubuksan kasi ang dami kong in-stock na mga plastic. Ayan siya, for when worn. For this naman, the Givenchy Nightingale large size. Pwede siyang overnighter. Ayan, overnight. And yung strap niya is short strap lang. You can hold yung handle or the strap. Yan siya. Pwede siyang i-shoulder bag yung strap. Yan. Oo. Ganyan siya. Ang laki.